It's an olive tree. It's growing out of the rock. But let's not forget how high up we are on a rock. Roots are exposed, but it's surviving. Roots are exposed, but it's surviving. It's easy to see the bell. It's easy to hear the bell. But only until I really studied the tree. It's filled with so many gifts. Clips, hair ties, bracelets, armbands, bracelets, pictures, jewelry. Everywhere. People climb the tree. Offerings. Look at this. It is a completely decorated tree of love and offerings, and I've never noticed it till now. Tomorrow, I have a bracelet. All right, we're going back to the apartment. Well, all right, going back to the hotel apartment. Recharge up what I've done. Eat. Get back out here. I don't know if I need this hoodie. It's a little warmer. I don't know if I need the hoodie for the day. It's a little warmer. And what I haven't talked about, I'm missing a camera, but I think I'm missing it in the hotel. The case that it stays in, catch that, is there. So, yeah, I don't know. It's very strange. I love I'm the only one out here. You know, it's not summer, but it's not as cool as it was this morning either. All right, okay, let's see if I can get one more. Let's see if I can get one more drone flight in. Those are always the last words. Got a couple drone shots, like I said. The fact that I know it's not supposed to be in the air, that does not leave one calm. No, the opposite of calm. The false start didn't count. This is day 2, 3 into my trip. I have yet to have a chocolate croissant. I know. I'm also a good judge to know when they're not available. I saw them all right. Anyway. Whoa. Stick shift and cliffs. What possibly could go wrong? Gear and thing. Yeah, I mean, look at the hill. Look at this view. So that is the rock we were just on. Yeah. This, okay, no more beeping. Anyway, here's the deal. I said this before. It's unbelievable how silent it is. Birds, water, a bee. I love it. I know I like the place, but I always forget that there's a feeling. And you realize it's the feeling that makes you come back to the place. Listen, cheers, kudos, and hats off to Italy. Never had a feeling. I'll be back. Didn't have a feeling. It's not easy. It's not easy to get here. There are places here that are easy to get to. Have at them. Enjoy. Those places are set up for somebody, you ready for this? Less confident. Yeah, I'm too confident to walk with the cattle. As a child, you ready for this? Oh, we're gonna go here? As a child, I might have been ostracized, I might have been bullied, I might have been less than invited to walk with others. But what it taught me is how to walk with myself. So, all the meanies, all the jerks, all the people that weren't kind, thank you. Thank you. Because that gift is why I'm here today.